So guys, today we were gonna watch the fireworks. Meron ditong fireworks sa may Parksville. And yun lang, manonood lang kami. Yan, dito na lang kami pumesto sa may sand para makapag-play si Chase. Habang naghihintay kami kasi medyo marami ng tao dun malapit sa dagat. Picnic blanket. Ang layo namin. Feeling ko dun pa yung fireworks later. Kasi nakita ko nandun yung boat. Pero katamad na maglakad. Tsaka okay lang, nasa langit naman daw yun mamaya eh. Sunset na. And then, ito yung... Ano dati tawag dito, Han? Sculpture? Sand sculpture. Pero, hindi na kami pumasok. Buti na lang nakapag-park kami ng malapit dito. Kasi kapag dumami na yung tao, possible sa labas kami. Tapos ang layo na lalakarin. Ang lawak ng sand dito, oh. Diba, Chase? Are you happy? Yep. That's a rock.
I just found this. The giant rock.
Come here.
Oh, yeah. Mommy, I got 3 twice.
Wow.
Oops. It's big enough.
You have Popeye's chicken? Daddy, kiss me. I'm going to work.
What? Do you need?
Home?
What do you need?
One down.
Why are you here? You said you're going to work.
Oh, yeah. Hey, what is over here? I wanted a pine cone. Sun is made of
Change costume.
fire.
Chase, are you cold?
Nah.
Not anymore? They are playing bubbles. Tulog yan pag uwi. Sana mag-start na yung fireworks kasi lumalamig na. Ay, naka.
I'm going. Why are they going home?
You're going home. Bye! Ang hirap nung mag-start na yung fireworks tapos maiihi ka. Ang layo pa ng CR. Oh my goodness. Niligpitan namin yung picnic blanket namin kasi ang dami ng tao. Baka mahirapan kami sa pag-uwi. So, kailangan pagtapos ng fireworks, sibat na kami kagad. So, yon. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa din. Time check. 9:20 PM. Waiting. Time check. 9:30 PM. Wala pa ding fireworks. Whoa! Whoa! Nice! Wow!
You're just much like
Nakakamiss sa Pinas. Whoa. Ang ganda. Ay, naka. Yay! Nice! Yay! Let's go! Traffic, traffic.
Oh my
Woohoo! Nakalabas din kami.
goodness. Not too bad.
Hindi rin masyadong matagal, no? Mabilis din tayo nakalabas, no? Grabe.